Secretary, ex-volunteer schools, and Bodo Organization Surakha Mancha. Today, together with the public, we are submitting a memorandum to the Prime Minister of India, President of India, and ST Commission of India, and to the Governor of India regarding our recent arrest of our social activist Lauro Nazari and our General Secretary Bikram Demari of Contractor Association and ex-MLA Hitesh Kusumatari. Because through this memorandum, we are submitting to the ST Commission of India for this ST Atrocities Act committed towards the indigenous tribal Bodo people. And this has been, as per the information instigated by the Assam government, by the Chief Minister of Assam, and this is implemented by the Assam police. And we have seen by arresting aged person, social activities who doesn't have any any anti-social activities, and this is a showing of humiliating towards the Lauro Nazari, Bikram Demari, Hitesh Kusumatari, and towards the indigenous Bodo people. It is humiliating, and we are asking, where is the law? Where is the equality of law? We have, as the indigenous people, as per the Constitution of India, we have every right to voice for our rights. This is our constitutional provision provided by the government of India. And now Assam police, without any warrant, without any information, they are arresting this aged person in the house. This is illegal. This is illegal, and this is not accepted by the indigenous tribal people of Assam. Since independence, we appeal to the Assam government. They are suppressing and oppressing us, the indigenous people. It is more than 75 years. They have been exploiting us, humiliating, torturing. As per the information from the family, we have information regarding the city's stage. The arms has been put by the police department. They are innocent. This public representative, he has been elected as a MLA in Assam. He is also ex-GM of BTC. If he is in such kind of anti-social activities, why he was not investigated during his period of as a public servant? So through this memorandum, we want justice to our social activists who has been working for the indigenous right. Lauro Nazari, he has been committed to his life. He is voicing, and now we have seen this is totally a diversion, diverting the very concept of this delimitation.